Hello and welcome to English Lessons 101. I'm your teacher Victor. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you 10 phrasal verbs with get. If you need an introduction to phrasal verbs, or if you just want to review phrasal verbs, make sure to check out the phrasal verbs intro lesson. It is really good and it is a full lesson that explains everything about phrasal verbs. Check out the full lesson that you can find in the description below. And as always, don't forget to do the quiz at the end of the lesson. Test your knowledge. That's very important if you would like to improve your English, which I think you would like to, right? The lesson coming up. Today we're going to check out get along, get on with, get away with, get back at, get by, get over, get rid of, and get through to. First, let's look at the word get. The word get has many meanings in English and is used a lot for colloquial or informal expressions. Remember that you don't have to learn all the meanings and all the words at the same time. It's important for you to take your time and to learn everything within the context of an idea or a situation, because that's how you will remember the words better. If you look at a dictionary, you will see that the word get has a lot of entries. And as I said before, it has a lot of meanings, especially when we use it in a colloquial or informal way. However, today we're just going to look at 10 phrasal verbs that are very useful and will help you understand English better. In this case, phrasal verbs with get a lot better. Let's start with the first phrasal verb, get along. Now, get along in this situation has two meanings. The first one is to have a good relationship with friends or family, and also it means to live, to survive. Let's look at some examples. The students get along well in class. They have started good relationships, or they have started good friendships. After I lost my job, I'm getting along well. I'm managing to survive. I'm managing to live. The next phrasal verb is similar to get along, get on with. So it is similar when we talk about relationships. Let's look at this example. The new boss doesn't get along with his team. There is a lot of conflict. So the relationship between the boss and his team is not that great. So they are not getting along, they are not getting on. They are not getting on really well with each other. Get away, to escape, to run off, to take a break. Let's check out these examples. The bank robbers got away with the money. They escaped before the police arrived. How about that? Very quick. We're getting away for the week. We need a break from work. In this case, to get away means to take a holiday, to take time off, but as a way of taking a holiday. So you get away for the week or you get away for the weekend, all right? And the last meaning is to take a break. Example, I need to get away from my desk. I need to take a break. There you go. Now we're going to add with to get away, and it means to do something successfully, but this is usually something that is bad or wrong. So the complete phrasal verb is get away with. Let's look at these examples. He's been shoplifting for years. He finally got caught. He couldn't get away with stealing anymore. right? That's one example. Let's check out the second example. He's getting away with not paying his taxes. Eventually, he'll get caught and he might go to prison. Next up is get back. This one is easy. To return. How about that? Easy. Get back, return. Example. The traffic was so bad we couldn't get back home soon. All right. Another example. My boss just wanted to get back to work as soon as possible. Get back. If you're getting value out of this lesson, do me a favor and smash that like button and also subscribe for more lessons and quizzes. Okay, let's continue with the lesson. Now we're going to add at to get back. So get back at someone. Get back at someone. Take revenge on someone. So revenge means when someone does something to you, you want to do something back to them to make them pay for what they did to you. Revenge. Example. She got back at him after she found out the truth. What did he do? I don't know, something very bad, and she just didn't like it. So she got back at him. Whoa, revenge. He's trying to get back at him because he stole his business idea. Once again, revenge. He stole his business idea, so now he wants to get back at him. The next phrasal verb is get by. Get by means to barely survive. Example. They got by with very little money while backpacking. So they survived. With low pensions, retired people can barely get by. They just survive. Get by. Good. The next phrasal verb is get over. Get over something or get over someone. To recover from. Example. Breakups are hard, but you will get over your ex-boyfriend or your ex-girlfriend. You will recover. Our star player got over his injury very quickly. He really wanted to recover fast to play again. Get rid of. Get rid of something or someone. To remove, to throw away. Example. My car is so old, I have to get rid of it. The new employee wasn't getting along well with his coworkers, and the manager had to get rid of him. He had to be fired. And finally, the last phrasal verb is get through to someone. This means to explain something successfully to someone, to make them understand. Now be careful with the pronunciation of through. If you would like to know how to make the TH sound, I have a couple of lessons that you can check out if you have some issues with the pronunciation of the TH sound. Let's look at these examples. She had to get through to her parents about her career choice. Finally, she made them understand. So they finally understood what she wanted to do with her life. In this case, her career choices. The new science teacher gets through to his students really well. So that means that he explains well and the students understand. That's it. Now let's do the quiz and test your knowledge. The quiz is based on the phrasal verbs which I've studied. All right? Also remember that there are more quizzes in the description box below. Let me know how you do. I'll see you at the end of the quiz. Let's do a little bit of homework. Write a sentence with one of the phrasal verbs from this lesson. How about that? You can do it. I'll take a look at it and see how you did. All right? Thank you for watching. Remember to support English Lessons 101 by liking, sharing, and subscribing. This is your teacher, Victor. Catch you later. Bye.